Okay, so today we're going to be taking you through how to set up a Trust Wallet account. We're going to do it on desktop, but the journey is very similar. It's the same for mobile. So let's dig in. So first, we're going to open up our Trust Wallet extension. If you're doing this on desktop, you would using Chrome. You would download the extension. If you're on a mobile, which is where you're more likely to be doing this, go to your App Store or your Play Store if you're on Android. So we're going to open up Trust Wallet. We are creating a new wallet. So we're going to enter in a password. Yeah, I'm happy to share data. Up to you whether you do or not. So now that we're in here, it's going to give you the opportunity to back up your secret phrase. So if you forget your password is used to log in to Trust Wallet, but what you can do is back up your secret phrase. So it will ask you to just confirm your password, and it's now going to give you 12 words. Really important here that we don't share this with anyone. I'm going to put it into my notepad, but I don't do this. It's important to write this down. I wouldn't save this anywhere on any kind of hard drive, or maybe a hard drive, anything that's connected to the internet. I wouldn't save my secret phrase on. It only takes one mistake to have your seed phrase stolen, and with the seed phrase, what can happen is someone can use it to access your account and basically take control of your wallet and take your money. So seed phrase is super important to keep safe. You do want to get this, because if you lose your password, it will help you recover it. Okay, what it's going to do is just ask us to re-enter this in the same order that we had before. So we've got sure, prepare, bonus, olive, sponsor, brown, shift, industry, hard elbow. And what this is doing is just confirming that they basically, you've got the passphrase written down, and now we are in Trust Wallet. So we can, assuming you've written that on a piece of paper, you can go and store that somewhere, and you've now got access to your wallet. So let's talk through some of the features that we can see up here. So we've got send, so you can send tokens to another address. So if you have another wallet, you can paste the address. I'll show you what that looks like in a second, and you can send funds to another wallet. So if you wanted to send, Bitcoin or Ethereum to a friend, you can do that using the send option once you have their address. From a receive perspective, you can say, look, someone actually wants to send me some BNB. So you select the coin, copy the address, and that's the address that you would give to your friend and say, hey, send me that BNB that you were going to send me. You can also swap, so you can choose the chain that you want to do some swapping on. So let's say Ethereum, we haven't got any, but let's say we want to swap that to a different coin on the Ethereum network. You can say I want to swap some ETH for, I don't know, whatever, AIOS, and then you can enter the amount. So let's say you want to swap 1 ETH. It will tell you what you're going to get, and then once you swap that, it will appear in your wallet. And then you can also buy and sell. So we can say, look, we want to buy a certain currency. So we could say, look, we want to buy, so let's say So we want to spend the Great British Pound, and we want to buy some Ethereum. And then what it will do on the right here is it will show you who the sort of what quotes you're getting from different providers. So, and it will tell you which one the best rate is: Ramp, Transact, MoonPay. Depending on the value you're entering here, it could change. So if we do £10, there you go. You can see it's no longer Ramp; it's switched to Transact. And then if you want to start going through that journey, you just click on Transact, and it will take you through to the website where you can start entering all of your information and then complete the purchase. It generally takes a couple of minutes for the Ethereum to arrive, or BNB, or whatever you're buying, to arrive back in your wallet. And that's it. There's no more to it. Super simple. If this is the start of your crypto journey, good luck to you. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have more content coming weekly. Liking and subscribing really helps new people like me kind of get out there and get our content viewed. So we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.